Taking a taxi. Hi, could you take me to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, please?
Sure thing.
Welcome to our channel Magic Englishland, a place where language learning meets the magic of fairy tales. I'm Isabella, your guide on this language adventure. Are you ready to embark on an extraordinary journey to speak English confidently, fluently, and naturally, just like a native speaker? No matter if you're just starting your journey or looking to add some magic to your existing skills, Magic Englishland is the place for learners of all ages. In today's episode, let's join Akari on her adventure in New York and discover the key English phrases that will make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. At the airport. Excuse me, where can I check in for the flight to New York?
Check in at counter 15, just down this hall on your right. Have your passport and ticket ready.
Thanks. Where are the duty-free shops?
After you go through security, they're near gates 10 to 15. There's a lot to choose from, like makeup and snacks.
Nice. Can you tell me where my gate is and when to board?
Sure, you're leaving from gate 12. Boarding starts at 3:30 p.m., but it's good to be there by 3 o'clock p.m. to avoid rushing.
Very helpful. Thanks. Any place to eat quickly before the flight?
Definitely. After security, we have food courts with different kinds of food, both fast and sit down.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Now Akari has arrived in New York. At the hotel. Hi, I have a reservation under the name Akari Suzuki.
Ah, yes, Miss Suzuki. Welcome to our hotel. Here's your key. You're in room 408. Our breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the dining hall on the first floor.
Thank you. And is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free throughout the hotel. You'll find the login details in your room, along with a directory of our services.
That's great. Do you offer laundry services?
Certainly, we do have laundry services available. You can leave your items with us in the morning, and they'll be ready by the evening.
Perfect. And are there any nearby attractions that you'd recommend?
Definitely. There's a brochure in your room with a map of nearby attractions. It has info on the museums and botanical gardens nearby.
I'll look into that. Is it easy to get around the city from here?
Yes, there's a subway station just 2 blocks away, and we also have a taxi stand right outside. If you need help with transportation or tour bookings, our concierge is at your service.
That sounds very convenient. Can I order food to my room?
Absolutely. Room service is available 24/7. You'll find a menu in your room with a range of dining options to choose from.
Thank you so much for all the information. I'm looking forward to my stay here.
It's my pleasure, Miss Suzuki. Just let us know if you need anything. Enjoy your time in the city.
Eating out. Can I have a look at the menu, please? What local dishes do you recommend?
Sure, here's the menu. Our guests really love the grilled salmon. The seafood pasta is another favorite among the locals.
I'll have the grilled salmon and a white wine. What wine goes well with salmon?
Chardonnay pairs well with salmon. Would you like a starter or a salad too?
Chardonnay sounds good. I'll start with a Caesar salad, dressing on the side, please.
Certainly. I'll make a note of that. And for your main course, how would you like your salmon cooked?
I'd prefer it to be cooked medium. And could I get some extra lemon slices on the side?
Of course. Would you be interested in hearing about our dessert options?
Maybe. I'll let you know after the meal. Thank you.
No problem at all. I'll get your order started. Just signal me when you're ready for dessert.
Thank you for the recommendations and your assistance. Shopping. Excuse me. Do you have this shirt in a smaller size? I really like the design.
Let me check for you. Yes, we do have it in small. Would you like to try it on to see how it fits?
Yes, please. That would be great. Where's the fitting room?
Right over there, next to the cash register. The rooms are quite spacious and have good lighting.
Thank you. And could you tell me about your return policy, just in case?
You can return within 30 days with the receipt. If it's an original condition, we offer refunds or store credit.
That's good to know. Also, I'm looking for accessories that might go well with this shirt. Do you have any suggestions?
Absolutely, we have a range of accessories. For that shirt, I'd recommend checking out our selection of scarves and necklaces on the display over there. They really complement the style.
Thank you. I'll have a look. And one more thing, are there any ongoing promotions or special discounts?
Currently, we have a buy one get one half off offer on certain items. Also, if you sign up for our store card, you get an additional 10% off your purchase today.
Interesting. I'll consider that. Thanks for all your help.
My pleasure. If you need any more assistance or fashion advice, feel free to ask. Enjoy your shopping.
Taking a taxi. Hi, could you take me to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, please?
Sure thing. It'll be about a 20-minute ride from here. The museum is quite popular, so there's a lot to see.
Could you let me know when we're nearly there? And is there a drop-off point close to the entrance?
Definitely. I'll drop you off at the entrance.
Thanks, that's very helpful. How about taking the scenic route? I'd like to see more of the city.
Great choice.
The park route is really beautiful, especially this time of year. Are you planning to visit any other places in the city?
Yes, I have a few places on my list. Could you recommend any must-see local spots?
Well, if you're interested in arts, you might also enjoy the nearby Color Factory. And for a great view of the city, I'd recommend the One World Observatory.
That sounds wonderful. I'll definitely check them out. Also, could you give me an estimate of how much the fare will be?
It should be around $25 to $30, depending on traffic.
All right, thank you. Do you accept credit cards, or should I pay in cash?
We accept both, whichever is more convenient for you.
I'll use my card then. Thank you for the information and the recommendations.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit to the museum and have a great time exploring the city. If you need a ride back, just give our service a call.
Useful phrases. At the airport. Asking for check-in counter. Excuse me, where do I check in for the destination flight?
Example, excuse me, where do I check in for the Tokyo flight?
Finding your gate and boarding time. Can you tell me where my gate is and when to board? Useful phrases. At the hotel. Checking in. Hi, I have a reservation under the name your name.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Jordan Lee.
Asking about amenities. Is there something in the room?
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Useful phrases. Eating out. Requesting the menu and recommendations. Could I see the menu, please? And could you recommend any local specialties? Ordering food and drinks. I'll have the dish and a drink.
I'll have the chicken parmesan and a glass of red wine, please.
Useful phrases. Shopping. Asking for a different size. Do you have this in a smaller or larger size? Asking about promotions or discounts. Are there any ongoing promotions or discounts? Useful phrases. Taking a taxi. Requesting a destination. Could you take me to destination, please?
Could you take me to Central Park, please?
Inquiring about fare estimates. Could you give me an estimate of the fare? That's a wrap on today's chapter in Magic Englishland. A huge shout out to all of you for joining in on our language learning journey. Just think of every new English phrase you learn as unlocking a door to a whole new adventure. Keep at it, stay curious, and cherish the journey of learning. Every word you pick up, every sentence you get, they're all steps toward becoming more confident and fluent in English. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Can't wait to see you all next time. Until then, keep practicing, and remember to keep listening and speaking. Keep sharing the magic of English.